Founded by Herbert Miller, Dennis Abels, and Mary Frances Lamat as a small minority-owned business, today, Social and Scientific System employs approximately 450 people across the United States, Africa, and Asia. Still 100% employee-owned with offices in Maryland, North Carolina, and Uganda, Social and Scientific Systems make significant contributions in the areas of biomedical research, epidemiology, health policy, and program evaluation. Much of Social and Scientific Systems' international work focuses on two key areas: HIV/AIDS and flu. The company supports 1,800 clinical trials with 360,000 participants across 500 sites in 50 countries. They provide statistical and analytical data analysis using artificial intelligence and big data methodology from preclinical through phase 3 studies. Social and Scientific Systems also provides their technical and policy development services worldwide, including their monitoring and evaluation services in Africa, collection of epidemiology data in Europe, and coordination of AIDS conferences in the Caribbean and Africa. In Uganda and Mexico, Social and Scientific Systems is working with locals on the ground to provide technical management and logistical support necessary to increase evidence-based planning and management of the health sector, particularly as it relates to HIV/AIDS, epidemic tuberculosis, and family health. Social and Scientific Systems works with professionals in each of these countries to collect data that help guide the decisions of policymakers, regulatory agencies, and healthcare providers. Social and Scientific Systems also provides scientific analysis and policy, advising services to key U.S. agencies, including the Department of Health and Human Services Centers for Medicare and Medicaid, the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences, and many others. Tonight's winner, Kevin Beverly, became president of Social and Scientific Systems in 2014. After serving as the company's executive vice president, Kevin and his team have successfully diversified the company's revenue streams and increased margins, relying less on grants, 65% of the company's revenues in 2002, now less than 10%, and more on fee-for-service contracts. Kevin calls this the doing good while doing well model, generating strong profits while pursuing meaningful work. Prior to Social and Scientific Systems, tonight's winner, Kevin Beverly, held leadership roles at Abt Associates and BAE Systems. Born on the Eastern Shore, Kevin has always felt that education is a passport out of poverty, and today devotes much of his non-work time in supporting youth educational nonprofits, such as College Tracks, YMCA, and the University of Shady Grove. Kevin earned his master's and bachelor's degrees from the University of Maryland College Park and is an avid cyclist. According to Kathleen Flanagan, president and CEO of Abt Associates, Kevin lives to improve public health worldwide, whether it's through his work at Social and Scientific Systems, helping disadvantaged youth through his board participation, or by biking hundreds of miles to help find a cure for cancer. He is a role model for all of us.